Welcome back to Tap Tech. This is the place where we take a closer look at the most exciting devices in tech, breaking down what's real, what's new, and what's worth your attention. If you love staying ahead, you'll feel right at home here. The MacBook Pro M5 is more than just another laptop update. It represents Apple's biggest leap forward in portable computing in years. Apple has already proven that its custom chips can outperform the competition, but the M5 is designed to take that dominance to a whole new level. Whether you're a creative professional, a developer, or someone who simply wants the best device available, the MacBook Pro M5 is shaping up to be the machine that makes you rethink what a laptop should be. So let's start with what everyone wants to know first: the release date. Apple is expected to reveal the MacBook Pro M5 in October 2025, right in line with its usual fall event schedule. This timing makes sense because Apple has been rolling out its new M5 lineup across devices, and the MacBook Pro is always one of the highlights. That means we're only weeks away from Apple officially showing us what they've been building. The centerpiece of this upgrade is, of course, the Apple M5 chip. Every time Apple introduces a new chip, it resets expectations, and this time is no different. The M5 brings faster performance, greater energy efficiency, and perhaps most importantly, advanced AI capabilities. Apple is pushing hard into on-device artificial intelligence, and the M5 chip has been designed to handle these demanding tasks smoothly. What does this mean in real life? Video editing in Final Cut or Premiere will be smoother, with rendering times cut significantly. 3D modeling and coding complex projects will feel more responsive. Even everyday tasks like browsing with dozens of tabs open, managing huge photo libraries, or running multiple apps side by side will feel seamless. The M5 isn't just about raw speed, it's about how effortlessly it allows you to move between heavy tasks without compromise. But the chip is only part of the story. The display is where Apple is making one of its boldest moves. The MacBook Pro M5 is expected to debut with OLED screens for the first time in a MacBook. This is a massive deal. OLED means deeper blacks, richer colors, and higher contrast compared to the mini LED displays currently used. For video editors, photographers, and designers, this kind of display accuracy is invaluable. It's closer than ever to what your eyes see in the real world, which means what you create on the screen will look just as good when viewed anywhere else. The refresh rate will remain promotion 120 Hz, ensuring everything looks buttery smooth. Combine that with OLED's improved energy efficiency, and we're talking about a laptop that not only looks better but also lasts longer on battery. Design is another area where Apple is expected to refine things. The MacBook Pro M5 will likely stick to the current 14-inch and 16-inch sizes, but with slimmer bezels, a slightly thinner build, and possibly new color options. Apple is known for subtle design evolution, not radical changes, but these refinements add up. A thinner, lighter MacBook Pro with a more immersive display is exactly the kind of evolution users want. The keyboard and trackpad are already some of the best in the industry, but Apple is rumored to be making slight improvements for quieter typing and more stable key travel. The trackpad could gain new haptic feedback functions, making it even more useful for system gestures and creative apps. Now let's talk software. The MacBook Pro M5 will run macOS Sequoia, which introduces features designed to maximize what the M5 chip can do. Expect smarter system-wide search, more AI-driven tools, and tighter integration with iPhone and iPad. For developers, Apple is also introducing more advanced frameworks to allow apps to tap into the M5's performance. That means the software you rely on daily will get even more powerful over time. Battery life has always been a strength of the MacBook Pro, but the M5 chip and OLED display take it further. We could see up to 20 hours of use, depending on workload. Imagine working 2 full days without needing to charge. And when you do, Apple's updated MagSafe charging is expected to deliver faster top-ups, keeping you productive without long waits. Connectivity is also stepping up. Wi-Fi 7 is very likely, which means faster wireless performance, better stability. Why in crowded environments, and lower latency. For professionals working with large files in the cloud or streaming high-resolution content, this makes a noticeable difference. Thunderbolt 5 support is also on the table, giving you more bandwidth for external displays, high-speed storage, and demanding peripherals. If you're someone who uses multiple monitors or external GPUs, this upgrade will be huge. Apple hasn't ignored the webcam and audio experience either. With more people working remotely, the MacBook Pro M5 is expected to bring an upgraded FaceTime camera with sharper resolution and better low-light performance. The microphones and speakers, which already outperform most laptops, are likely getting refinements to deliver studio-like audio for calls and content creation. Of course, with all these upgrades, pricing will be a big question. The MacBook Pro M5 is expected to start around $1,999 for the 14-inch model and $2,499 for the 16-inch version. OLED panels and the M5 chip aren't cheap additions. But for professionals who see their laptop as the centerpiece of their work, the value comes not just from the specs but from how much the machine helps them create, produce, and deliver. So who exactly is the MacBook Pro M5 for? If you're a casual user who only needs a laptop for web browsing, email, or light work, the MacBook Air M5 will likely be a better choice. But if you're a professional creator, a developer, a designer, or someone who needs every ounce of performance without compromise, this is the machine that's built for you. It's not just a laptop, it's a portable workstation that lets you do desktop-level work anywhere. This is what makes the MacBook Pro M5 so important. It's not only faster, it's smarter, more efficient, and more versatile. Apple is proving once again that when hardware and software are designed together, the result is something no other company can quite match. Other brands are pushing powerful specs, but Apple's integration makes the experience feel more natural and future-ready. Should you wait for the MacBook Pro M5? If you're currently on an Intel-based MacBook or even an early Apple Silicon model, the jump to M5 will feel massive. The performance improvements, the OLED display, and the AI features will completely change the way you work. If you already own an M3 or M4, you might be fine for now, but even then, the OLED display alone could tempt you to upgrade. The MacBook Pro M5 isn't just another MacBook, it's Apple's statement about where computing is headed. It shows that laptops can be powerful, efficient, and intelligent all at once. And with the official reveal only weeks away, this might be one of the most exciting Apple launches of the year. Thanks for watching Tap Tech. Stay tuned, because we'll be bringing you more updates, reviews, and breakdowns on the MacBook Pro M5 and all the biggest releases in tech. The future of laptops is closer than you think, and it looks more powerful than ever.